Say open blender, press shift and A. Choose cylinder and adjust its size. Add another cylinder, adjust its size. To get the best result when snapping one object to another, follow these steps from the top bar. First choose active element, then enable snapping and select vertex. Place the second cylinder above the first one and it will snap automatically at the base and adjust its size. Now we add another cylinder and watch how we turn it into the lampstand. Select the object and from the top bar go to modeling. From the top choose faces, press X and select only faces to delete the selected face. Change the selection mode to edges, then choose extrude region for the selected edge and pull it along the Z-axis by pressing Z while moving it. Repeat the process several times. Now we will create the lamp. Go back to layout, select a sphere, go to modeling, choose faces, then use extrude region, return to layout, resize it and place it in the correct position. Now add another cylinder to make it the lamp's cover. We will now make some adjustments to the sizes and distances and add a few more elements to make the lamp look nicer. Finally select each object individually, right click and choose shade smooth to get smooth and beautiful edges.
Now we will add materials to each part of the lamp. Select the first cylinder, then go to the top bar and open the Blender Kit library. In the search bar, type the material you want. I will choose wood and look for the most suitable color. At the bottom on the dividing line, right click and split the screen vertically. From the add menu, add a camera and adjust its position and angle. In the left side viewport, press 0 to see what appears through the camera and press G to move it. Add a floor and change its size. Then add a light source and adjust its position. Change the light color and intensity. In the left side viewport, press Z and choose rendered. This will show how the lamp will look during the rendering process. You will notice the screen is black, so we will add an external light. Move it to get the best lighting angle and adjust its intensity. You will then notice the lamp starting to appear. Now we will add a suitable material to the lamp shade. I will choose white paper. The middle part will be made of gold metal and the part above it as well. The bulb will be made of transparent glass. We will readjust the lighting to get the best color and brightness. Then select the lamp shade and go to shading from the top bar to adjust transparency. In the principal BSDF panel, choose transmission and change its value until you get the ideal transparency. To achieve the best render, follow these steps on the right side. Click the camera icon under render engine, choose cycles. Under device, choose GPU. At the bottom under render, change max samples to 64 and enable denoise and adjust the lighting until it suits your scene. From the top bar, choose render, then render image and wait a bit to get the final result.